Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we will learn how to ask questions using was and were. These words help us talk about things that happened in the past. By the end, you will be able to understand and ask simple questions about past events using was and were. We use was and were when we talk about something that happened in the past. Was is used with I, he, she, and it. Were is used with you, we, and they. For example, I was tired yesterday, or they were at school. These words help us show what happened before. To make a question, move was or were to the beginning of the sentence. For example, say, was she tired or were they at the park? This small change makes it a question. If your answer is yes, say yes she was or yes they were. If your answer is no, say no she was not or no they were not. We often use short answers when responding to questions with was and were. For a yes answer, say yes I was or yes they were. For a no answer, say no I was not or no they were not. These forms help you sound natural and fluent when speaking English about the past. The basic pattern for questions is simple. Start with was or were, then add the subject, followed by the rest of the sentence. For example, was she late for work or were you at the party? This pattern works for all types of yes or no questions about the past. Negative questions are used when we expect a yes answer or when we are surprised. To form one, add not after was or were. For example, was he not at the meeting or were you not at home? In short form, we can say wasn't he at the meeting or weren't you at home? These sound more natural in everyday speech. When using question words like who, what, where, or when, place them before was or were. For example, where was she yesterday or what were you doing? These question words help us ask for more specific information about the past, not just yes or no answers. Now it is your turn to practice. Try answering questions like, was your teacher kind in school or were you tired last night? Ask yourself, was it cold in the morning or were your friends at the park? Saying these questions aloud will help you remember how to use was and were naturally in real conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.